My name is Duncan Nkhoma. I studied heavy equipment repair at the Northern Technical College. I am currently working with Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia. I am heavy duty technician there. When I was growing up, I used to be very scared of trucks. I used to be very scared of these big vehicles. But then I also used to think about every time power has gone in the house, when I come outside, I would find that the trucks have power. The lights are on when the vehicle is moving. So that would make me wonder and think, what's so special about vehicles? I started developing interest like that in wanting to know what vehicles are all about. And my dad is a truck driver and also somebody that is also a mechanic. So most of the times when he's fixing vehicles, I was there with him as a spanner boy and also helping out. From there, I was getting to just develop that interest. And when I completed my grade 12, I said, the only course I'm going to do is heavy equipment repair so that I can be able to understand much on what machines are all about. It's a very good step that Zamita has taken, especially in introducing advanced machines, the engines, the components that I've also worked on them as a student. So it was easy for me when I went to the industry to be able to adapt because already we've been working on advanced equipments just here at Nortec. So it was so much easy for me to just also adapt in the industry, and that's a very good thing. Zamita and Nortec helped prepare me for industry in such that just the topics that we learn, and especially we just didn't learn like theory. It was also so much on hand-on, where we are assembling components, we are rebuilding, we are disassembling engines. So that helped. And also when we are doing, like for example, we are assembling a machine or maybe a component, we had a manual with us. And that's what is required in the industry. Even with a project I'm doing, you need so much to use. The technical manual has to be there. You need to follow the procedure. And that's how Nortec prepared me. And it's easy for me to do that in the industry because I started it from way back. He just right at Nortec. I learned on hydraulics, the circuit diagrams. I'm able to interpret them whilst at work. I also learned on electrical. I learned on the engines. It's quite a lot of skills. And most important, the safety aspect as well. I learned on safety, and this is something that we are applying today in the industry. Yes, it was, because the industry is looking for people that have already worked on the advanced machines, and going into the industry, it was easier. When they look at what I have already done whilst in school, it gives them that view that, okay, this person already knows what he expects in the industry, and it becomes easier like that to be picked by the industry. I'm living my dreams, whereby you assemble a machine from the flames, you assemble it up to the tires, and you give it to the customers. The customers are using that machine. Then you are looking at it from a distance and seeing, oh, it's actually moving. And for example, you give them today and it has stayed, it does not come back, it's working, and you feel so motivated, so encouraged, and That's something I enjoy so much. And I'm like, wow, we've done this with my team, with my colleagues. And yeah, that's so very much, I enjoy that. Even just how to interact and live with people. The industry is quite different from school as well. There's just so much. First of all, financial discipline, all that is very important. Get to learn at that aspect. And also management, you know, trying to manage things, and which I feel it's very important that it should be part of the curriculum. In the industry, there's a lot of responsibilities. My advice to the students is there's a lot of opportunities for you guys. The advantage with our field is that, for example, if there is no job, you are able to use your hands, your skills. So this is a very good field that you and I are in. So concentrate, pay attention. Do not listen to people that look down on mechanics. This is a very great field. Females can do this as well. It's not just for men. I would love to see a lot of females joining in, coming in to study heavy equipment repair, because back then in our class, we only had maybe 2 to 1 female, and I feel it shouldn't be like that. Even females can do heavy equipment repair, and there's a lot of opportunities for them. I can say about Zamita is a big thank you to Zamita, the great work that Zamita is doing. A long time ago, Notec didn't have advanced engines that we have now. They didn't have advanced equipment, and now we have them, and students are able to learn from them, to know exactly what they expect to find in the industry. And also, Zamita has been doing a wonderful work in helping students find attachments, getting employment, train the trainers as well, which is very wonderful. And it's a thank you to Zamita.